How to download and install Blender for free on your laptop. What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily install Blender for free on your laptop. So let's just jump right in. First thing you have to do is simply go to any of your web browser, go to the search bar and search for Blender and hit enter. And you're going to have to visit the first website, blender.org, click on it, and it will direct you to this website. Now, once you land on the web page here, you basically have to find the download button. If you can't find the download over here, you could just go ahead and click on the search for Blender download. So I'll just do that. I'll just do Blender download and hit enter. Now click on the first link that you see here again. There are other versions available here as well, depending on your OS. I have Windows installer, Mac, and also Linux. You could also get it on Steam. I'll just continue on with download on Windows. So for this, I can just click on download Blender. And it's going to automatically download the file. Now they're going to ask you to donate. If you like, you could donate for Blender. I'll just download manually. If the download doesn't start automatically, you're going to have to click on this download manually. The file is a bit large. It's around 340 MBs. So let's just wait for a bit for it to download completely. Once the installation process is complete, you can directly click right here to install Blender, or you could just go to the file location. It's going to be saved on my downloads folder, so I'll just click right here to open it. You're going to have to allow some permission to go ahead and run this. So it's going to ask you for a permission. It's going to prepare it to install. Now there are a few steps that you need to complete here. Let's tap on next. Select your file location. I'll just leave it on default. Tap on next again and then tap on install. Now wait for a bit and wait for the installation to complete. I'll just leave it as it is for now. Once the installation is complete, you can just click on finish and then it will automatically start. Now I'll just wait for a bit. If it doesn't start, you can go to the search bar and simply search for Blender. It's going to be here and you can just click on it to open it up. Now wait for a bit, and here it's going to take some time initially to open up because it has to load all of the caches, but once it loads up, it's going to be really fast the next time you use it. And then you can start using Blender right away. Here are some of the setup that you can do: your language, theme, key map, your mouse selector, and then spacebar action. I'll just leave it on default. And now you can just create a new file, 2D animation, sculpting, and more. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.